Hello people, welcome back to another quick, easy lunch, breakfast, dinner ideas. I make use of some meat, potatoes and vegetables. So here I added some onion, I added in my pork meat, use according to your preference. So I added the salt, seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder. I stir together properly and I'll cover and I like to cook for like 10 minutes. So here's about 10 minutes. I'll add in my habanero pepper that I diced. I covered. I will cook it until it is tender. So here it is tender. I'll add in my peeled potato. I added in a glass of water and I gave it a good stir. So what I will do now, I will test for salt. So I added in half glass again of water. I added in a spoon of olive oil. I added in salt because it needed salt. I gave it a quick stir. And at this junction, guys, I will cover and I like to cook. On my return is thank you for returning. I'm seeing your like, your comment, your share. May the good Lord bless you. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Turn on the post notification, follow for more amazing videos. So I checked on it, it was cooked. I added in my mixed vegetable and I cooked it for like 5 minutes. So here is it, ready. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Keep turning in, keep subscribing, keep sharing. Bye. Enjoy. See you in my